Okay, so let's go over how to clean the Trimcoo electric shaver. So we have our base here plugged in, the USB-C on the back. Go ahead and take this off because we need to go ahead and fill the reservoir. So we'll go ahead and add our cleaning solution that comes with the Trimcoo electric shaver. So we're gonna add in 12 milliliters of the solution into the back here. All right, pour that in. Has a nice smell to it, the cleaning solution. Doesn't smell chemically. Then we'll add in our water to the fill line. And then we'll add the base. And we'll add the top on back. All right. And we'll put our shaver in. I'm gonna press the button right here. Okay, and then press the shaver button twice, and it'll start going into a pulsing mode, and it'll have a countdown timer of 99 seconds. And we can just set it and forget it here. So you can hear it is a little noisy, not too bad though. So you can see the cleaning cycle, it fills, and then it runs the razor, and then it cleans it all out, and then just repeats the process. Also, if we wanted to, we could actually charge the razor while it's being cleaned. We just plug it in right there. And on the side right here is another USB-C output. So we can just add the cable there if we wanted to. Okay, and then now it's just drying off. And that's it. And now we have a clean electric shaver. So you can see no water spilled anywhere on here. It's really quick, got this really clean. And then you're good to go after that. So that's how you clean your Trimcoo electric shaver. And as far as the solution goes, so you can keep this in for 2 weeks, and you don't need to clean your electric shaver every day. You can do it every, 3 days, 4 days, and you'll be fine. So that's also nice, so you're not having to, use the solution every single time. You can also buy other third-party solutions as well. You don't have to use the Trimcoo one either. However, this one is a really good quality one, has that citrus scent, smells good, doesn't smell chemically, and this will last you quite a long time as well. You can also get a 2-pack on Amazon for this solution, and it'll last you like a year.